In this tutorial, you learn how the latest DI and CAD/CAM connector strengthens your digital workflow by improving connection stability and supporting the latest CEREC and in-lab CAM software versions. Let's get started. This update significantly improves the reliability of data transfers between your on-premise software and DS Core. This is especially important for teams scanning in CEREC or Connect software and placing lab orders. Through various bug fixes, this version reduces upload interruptions and your files arrive consistently in your DS Core patient's media library. If you've upgraded to CEREC software version 5.3.5 and you want to open a treatment scan that includes multiple indications, for example, a combination of restoration and abutment, you must have DI&CADCAM connector 2.3.0 or higher installed. Without this connector, multi-treatment workflows won't be supported. With it, your full treatment scan loads seamlessly, allowing you to design every indication in one connected workflow. Without this connector, multi-treatment workflows won't be supported. With it, your full treatment scan loads seamlessly, allowing you to design every indication in one connected workflow. Finally, this version enables uploading .sixd designs files to DS Core. This capability is essential when triggering an implant planning process from DS Core into CCAT Suite. With the connector installed, you can upload your .sixd design scan directly to DS Core, making it available for implant planning in CCAT Implant. And that's it. Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about new DS Core features and functionalities. Thank you for watching.